Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your first time here. My name is Vanessa. So today I have a makeup tutorial for you guys slash Q&A. This morning I asked my followers on Instagram to ask me whatever question they have, and let me tell you guys, these questions are spicy, juicy, whatever. So if you're interested, keep on watching, and you can follow me on Instagram. So next time, you won't miss out. So let's dive right into this video. I already done my eyebrows, as you guys can see. So I'm going to prep my face with my Milk Hydro Grip primer. I like this thing, like it really stick to your skin, like I like it. Today I will be using my Nars Radiant Longwear foundation in the color Caracas. Let me see the questions. What do you guys have? And I will not be saying who is who because I know them, and yeah. So she asks which foundation or makeup set is best for beginners. To me, though, for brushes, I will recommend like the Real Technique brush set. Like, you don't do nothing. Like, you just be like this. You don't even need to look at your face, basically. Like, you just be doing like this and it will just blend it. So I feel like this particular brush, the entire brush set is really easy to use. For eyeshadow palettes, I would recommend the Juvia Place palettes or the Morphe palettes because they are really affordable. But for like foundation, I usually go with my mood, to be honest. Like, my first foundation was actually the Chanel foundation, and that is expensive. I feel like any brand that has your color, that's it. Like, it has your color, it make you stay matte. So right now I'm really loving the Nars foundation. Yeah, I hope I answer your question. Ooh, let me not delete. Okay. So this person asked me where I'm from. I'm from Burkina Faso. It's located in West Africa. See what I was telling you? Like, I'm basically looking at this small monitor. I cannot even see myself because I'm supposed to be wearing glasses. And yeah, but anyway, this makeup brush is like zero effort. You just be looking flawless. Zero efforts. When I tell you guys the devil is a lie, like, I decided to start back my YouTube channel. I wake up, I have a bump on my nose. So this guy asks, will you marry me? I will marry the person that God says, like, that God will tell me I should marry. So since God didn't tell me that I should marry you, so my answer will be no. Somebody asks, do you like, I'm not going to say the guy name, if I like him. Oh my gosh, Jesus Christ. Okay. So this guy said you look really good when you was thicker and now you even look better. Oh, thank you so much. I loved myself when I was bigger. I love myself now, but like, I'm more comfortable in my skin right now. So basically that's the reason why I lost weight. But if you guys didn't know, I lost about 30 pounds. I'm going to insert my before picture somewhere here. So you guys can see. But anyway, if you guys interested, I can make a video to explain to you guys how I lost my 30 pounds. Just let me know in the comment section. So I'm going to highlight with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Butterscotch. This color is not like that much lighter than my skin complexion, but I like it. My forehead right here. Oh, one eye. And I like to like spray it, like that. And I'll be using my Real Technique setting brush to blend that in. I just be tapping because like that help with the coverage basically. If I use a beauty blender, it's going to like spread the concealer and I don't want to spread it. Okay, let me see the next question. So this person asks, what do you think about someone dating a married man? I don't like to judge people. It is what it is. Whatever they want to do with their life, it's not my place to judge them. Only God can judge anybody. Like, that's not me. But I personally wouldn't date a married man. I wouldn't even date a man that I knew had like someone else in their life. To me, it just doesn't make sense to me. Like, if I meet you, we start vibing, and I find out that it is someone else, I'm not going to compete. I'm not going to try to win. Like, I'm not going to try to prove anything. To me, that's childish. Like, I'm just going to let you know I like you, and I see that you are talking to somebody else. So I'm going to let you think about whatever you want to do. I'm not going to be waiting on you though, but go and live your life. If it is what it is, if you decide to come back and then I still want you, then I mean, we can go from where we left. But if I already moved on, it is what it is too. So I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. I don't, like I said, me, I don't like to stress. I don't like to stress at all. It's the e.l.f. Concealer in the color Ebony to contour my face. So usually when I contour my face, I look at my ear, like right here. So I will draw a line from here to my, close to my mouth. But everybody, like, bone structure is different, whatever, like face shape is different. So you just have to like be playing around to see what really suits you. And this color is really dark, so I mean, I like it. It's rich. And I'll be doing my 5 forehead. Another question. So she asks in French, qu'est-ce que le maquillage t'inspire à réaliser plus tard? Basically, she asks like, what does makeup inspire me to do later on in life? So let me explain before I reply to the question. Like when I blend my contour, I basically like to take, like, this brush is dirty because I used it yesterday. So it is what it is. But this is what it looks like. It's my Real Technique Face Expert brush. So basically I like to like look at myself, obviously, and then I like to just like go up and down until like it's completely blend out. Donc moi personnellement j'aimerais créer ma propre marque de maquillage et il y a deux manières de faire cela. Soit tu fais private labeling, ça c'est pas aussi cher, tu cherches une compagnie et tu payes leur produit qui est déjà fait et tu mets ton propre packaging et puis tu le vends. Soit tu travailles avec un lab, tu es involved dans tout le process au fait et ça c'est plus cher. Et yeah, c'est ça que moi j'aimerais faire. J'aimerais travailler avec et là pour créer ma propre marque de beauté, de tout produit cosmétique au fait. Oh, let me blend this really fast before it dries. And I'll be looking like So I'm going to like reblend my under eye one more time before I set it with my Huda Beauty setting powder in the color Blondie. I don't think if you like really oily, the Nars foundation is going to work for you though, because it has like this natural finish and stuff. So this is what my face is looking like after setting it with my Huda Beauty setting powder. So let me see, what's another question? So this person asked me, what's my favorite brand? I don't think I have a favorite brand. I don't like to put myself inside like one box. I might like this from this particular brand and I might like that for this particular brand. I don't have a favorite brand. I like different products from different brand, and that can change depending on the season. What's your type regarding men? Let me bronze my face. So today I'll be using the Fenty Beauty bronzer in Mocha Mami. I don't think I have like, okay, I cannot bronze and talk at the same time. Let me bronze my face first. Right now I'm baking a little bit under my eyes because I'm about to move on to my eyeshadow. Ooh, Chai, I poke my eye. 99% of the time when I do an eye look, my transition color is whatever bronzer that I use. What's my type? That's the question, So I'm putting that into my crease and I'm blending it. I really don't have a type, like a physical type. Like, I know that every man that I've met and I felt like it was attractive, like I'm like, oh my gosh, it's so fine, like it's so fine. Most of the time they will approach me, and when we get to talk, I don't like them. Like, I don't like them. So it's the ones that like I never thought that I would like that I end up liking, and I'm like, oh my gosh. So I don't have a physical type. When a man is in touch with his own feelings, to me that is so attractive. Like, he will tell you directly how he feels and stuff like that. That is attractive. A man that is smart. When a man is smart, like, as in like, even, I mean, smart in school, smart in life, is just so attractive to me. I'm just like, like we can have a conversation, like he can hold a conversation, and I see him working hard towards something. It's just ambitious, like to me, like it's those things that like attract me. And I look at like how we treat other people. Like when I mean other people, like people who are probably less fortunate than him, like or whatever. Like when I say less fortunate, I mean like financial wise, because nobody is better than anybody in life. So yeah, I look at like his character, how he treats other people and stuff like that. Yeah, those are the things that attract me. I cannot really say one particular thing because I like what I like. But yeah, if you can stimulate my brain, like, wow, I'm cheesing. Like, this is crazy. Like, because I'm thinking about it. Like, when I meet a guy, like, that can hold a conversation, like, I'm just like, hey, babe, how are you? My bronzer, I like to blend it into my eyebrows because that's how I'm going to contour my nose. But I like to look straight into the mirror because if you don't do that, your nose contour will be like crooked. You have to look straight into the mirror. That's why I even stopped talking for a minute. Like, let me do this real quick. Usually I will use like a smaller brush, but it is what it is. So yeah, like I said, I'm blending it into my eyebrows and down the bridge of my nose really lightly. I barely have any product on the brush because I don't like harsh nose contour. I don't like it at all. You can barely see it, but it's there. Yeah. And plus my nose is not even that big, so it is what it is. The blush that I use, and I'll put that on my lid. It's like a really pretty plum color, and it's by what is it called? Laura Geller, whatever you want to call it, using the same brush. I really like when a man take really good care of their mom and stuff like that because I'm big on family. I love family. And yeah, Vanessa, so I like that. This is so pretty, like it has some shimmer in it. So I'm going to take a smaller brush and put both colors under my eye and some black eyeliner in my waterline. I'm going to put some mascara using my favorite mascara, the Benefit Roller Lash. So I'm going to use this Nars small highlighter. It's like an eyeshadow. Ooh, the name is Rigel, but it's so pretty, like so pretty. I feel like my battery is about to die. It's crazy. I didn't even plan this. Like the colors that I put on my cheek is the same color that I have on my eye. I did not even plan this. But okay. So I'm going to use the same Rigel to highlight my face. A little bit on my nose. Let me do my lips. I know I still have like some few questions that I've not answered, but I don't want this video to be like 2 hours. So, but thank you to everybody who said that I was so pretty, I was beautiful, I was like all those comments. I saw them. Thank you so much. Thank you. These people. So let me do one more question. So this person said that I look bougie. To me, I feel like I'm bougie, but my definition of bougie is someone like somebody who knows what they want and is willing to get what they want and not, I don't want to like settle for less than what I deserve or what I want. If I want something, I will get it. Like, I will get it. So if that makes me bougie, then I mean I am bougie. I even feel like I'm bougie. So, but I know a lot of people definition of bougie like is kind of like different. So I would like to know like what's your definition of bougie? Can you let me know in the comment section? Tell me, what's a bougie person? Is that a bad thing or a good thing? Because to me I see it as a good thing. So it is what it is. Ooh, this is so cute and so simple. Like I said, the colors that are on my cheeks are the same colors on my eyes. Pretty simple, pretty easy to do. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and the Q&A. So if you did, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications so you wouldn't miss any of my new videos. And also don't forget to like, comment, and see you in my next video. Oh, a little prayer before you guys go. Today I pray that God give you strength and peace during difficult times. In His precious name I've prayed. Amen.